Have you ever seen those edits where the action suddenly feels choppy, almost like time itself is freezing for a split second? In this video, I'll show you how to create this freeze frame effect in Premiere Pro. I've already got my clip imported and placed on the timeline. If you have tried creating this effect manually, you probably know the process. You find a frame and insert frame hold segment, then cut the clip, trim it down, and repeat until you get that stuttering, frozen look. But it's slow, tedious, and honestly, not the best use of your editing time. So here's the shortcut. Select your clip and head over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Posterize Time. Once you find it, simply double-click to apply it to your clip. Now go to Effect Controls panel. You'll see the frame rate setting. This is where the magic happens. Start lowering the frame rate. For this clip, I'm setting it to 3 frames, but feel free to experiment depending on the style you're after, and watch what happens. Now at this point, you might be thinking, wait, isn't this just slow motion? Not exactly. Take a look. On your left, we have the freeze frame effect, and on the right, we have a traditional slow motion effect. To give you some inspiration, here are a few clips where I've used the exact same technique. Notice how the effect adds impact, makes movements feel more dramatic, and instantly gives the edit a unique visual style. And the best part? It only takes a few seconds to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.